Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create an ads account in Facebook Business Manager updated for 2025. Let's dive in. First of all, go to business.facebook.com. Then log in with your Facebook account. This takes you to the Meta Business Suite, your command center for pages, ads, and more. From the left menu, scroll down and click Business Settings. This is where you manage assets like pages, people, pixel, pixels, and of course, add accounts. In Business Settings, under Account, click Add Accounts. Now click the blue Add button. From here, select Create New Add Account. Enter a name for your ad account, something like My Brand Ads. Choose your time zone, currency, and click Next. Next, assign people to the account, typically yourself or your team. Make sure you assign admin access if you want full control. Click create and boom, your ad account is ready. You will now see it listed under your business assets. To start running ads, go to payment settings, click add payment method, and enter your card or PayPal info. And that's how you create an ads account inside Facebook Business Manager in 2025. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more digital marketing tips. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Here's an uh, full guide how to create an ads account on Facebook Business Manager. Open your browser, then visit Facebook business account, log in with your personal Facebook account. Tip: make sure your personal Facebook profile is in good standing. Avoid using fake accounts or recently created ones, or your business manager might get flagged. Warning: don't use the same payment method across multiple unrelated business managers, it can trigger Facebook's security systems. Bonus tips: warm up your account by running small, simple ads first, like a page boost or engagement ad. Avoid banned niches like fake documents, adult content, or multi-level marketing. They can get you permanently banned. Always follow Meta's ad policies. Thanks for watching.